Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. So today we are at Goodwill. We are in
Sandridge, Tennessee.
Yep, and it is
beautiful
47 degrees
out here.
So here's what the Goodwill looks like. Super cute, tiny, kind of adorbs or whatever.
This is our first haul video. We haven't thrifted in a long time, so we can't wait to get in here. We're gonna go to a few more places tomorrow, and we're gonna have fun.
Fun.
Score. I love this. How much is this? I've been wanting right here. How much is it? $9. I've been wanting a globe. What do you think? All right, let's hold it. Let's see what else. It's a small Goodwill. It's not very big, but we might be able to find a few things.
This reminds me of the couple from That's such a sad movie.
Okay, let's put that down. What do you think this one's? It's a lot of rust on it, which is really in. It's heavy. I have no idea. How much is it? I'm trying to go through the video. $3.99. What do you think? I'm scared of what's inside.
The inside's kind of disgusting. Oh, it looks like floral foam.
Kind of cool. Would you stop with that? All right, let's look at this. Here's a big fleur-de-lis. I love fleur-de-lis. $7.99. This Goodwill is kind of expensive, but I do like that. Look who's joined us to go on a Goodwill haul. He looks happy, doesn't he?
Cute baskets. These are cute. Not too shabs.
Oh, here. Is that what you're looking at?
Yeah.
Yeah. We could paint it white. Stress it back.
Look at those details.
$4.99. All right, let's get this one. I remember these, Ari. You used to have to wind them up when they would get stuck in their boom box. I used to record songs right off of the radio, and you'd have to wait hours and hours for your favorite song, and then you'd have to sit there and hit play and record at the same time so you could have a mixed jam. Ooh, we came to the right place. These are so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna grab this, and we're just gonna have this. That's awesome. Period.
So that was the end of that one. We will come back. We will come back in just a second for you, but a little while for us for our next thrift store.
See ya. This is a good place. If you've never been here, you need to come. I have 3 new videos that will be coming soon. I've been working on this chest for about 2 weeks, and then I have a small magazine rack that we transformed, and it looks super cute. And then also I started this on the DIY paint page. It's a chair that I've been decoupaging, and it looks so cool. Watch out for these videos coming soon.
Good night, kiss.
Hope we can find some great stuff. Thank you for joining us as we traveled through the Smokey Mountains and had some fun. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Alright, this looks like it's bigger and better. Ari? Okay, we got these. Show the baskets. We got, that's a nice basket. I don't have a price on that one though. Here we go. We got some baskets.
My name is Kara.
Okay, Kara. A napkin holder, $1.99. We can decoupage napkins on it. What do you think? All right. Okay, hold on. Let's see what else we can find. See anything else?
No.
All those baskets. All right. So we just found this place. It's called a Closet. We're still in Newburgh. It's super cute. Newport, Tennessee. How cute is this?
So cute.
They have clothes and then they have housewares. So I'm gonna show you some of the stuff that I'm seeing, and I've already found something that I want to get.
We've got some pretty clothes.
Yes.
We really do. Where are you all from?
Kentucky,
Ah, what part?
Madisonville. It's like 2 hours west.
You know that? Yeah. Where they bundled the floor out of it right here.
This one actually has the back seat.
Ari, how much do you want a Volkswagen? Do you think they'll look?
I can't sit in it any longer. I'm gonna get attached.
Yes, baby. We're gonna get coffee from the bus. It's always so nice to be able to get away and do something different. The weather was amazing. The company was even better. And we really got some really great items. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Cheers. Ari's on her way to Gatlinburg with her dad, so this is the end of the thrift haul. But next week we'll show you what we did with it. After Ari left, Nathaniel and I went for a drive through the country and ended up going into Sevierville. And we stopped along the way and met some nice people and looked at some antiques. The view was spectacular. And then we found another Goodwill. I didn't film everything, but I did get this beautiful lamp and I'm so excited about it. I can't wait to show you everything that I got and how I transform all of the pieces. Or some of them I might not. I might just clean them up. We also drove through Bush Beans Factory. It's super cool, super pretty, and it is in the Smokey Mountains if you didn't know. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos.